How to use LinkedIn to get clients. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use LinkedIn to get clients and jobs. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to linkedin.com and you will get to this platform right here. So I have actually signed into my LinkedIn. If you have no idea about LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a social media and a job finding platform that allows you to create different jobs, find clients, add your resumes, and it is an amazing hub that also works as a social media. We add different connections and we find these amazing people that we can follow. So once you sign up for LinkedIn with your Google account or your email address, the signing up process is really easy. This is where you will get. So I have signed into my LinkedIn and today I will show you how to get clients on LinkedIn. So once you sign in, this is where you get, of course, this is our profile, this is our feed, and then we get all of the menu right here, all of the options. So on LinkedIn, we know that a lot of people post their jobs. Companies are always looking for different employees. And as an employee, as a worker, you have a skill and you want to get clients on LinkedIn. So what you have to do is, first of all, simply go to the jobs option right here. Once you go to jobs, then it will open up linkedin.com/jobs for you. And in here, we can actually do a lot. We can find clients, we can add jobs, we can build our resumes, we can actually get guidance, do a lot of things that we can do on a basic job finding platform. So to get a client or to find a job first, what we can do is we can simply go ahead and search by title, skill, or company. You will find the search bar right here. And let's say that you are in marketing and you want to look for a job as a marketing agent, right? So what you need to do is simply click marketing agent, all right? So once you click on the search bar, it will open up all of these jobs for you, all of the companies, clients looking for marketing agents. And the salary is also pretty good. You will get all the information. We can also filter our search more by adding the location right here. So we can add any location we want to. You can add your country, you can add your city, you can add your area, whatever you want to, your state. You will simply type in right here. So I have added, let's go with United States. Any state will be okay. Now I can also go ahead and filter my search by date posted, like past month, past week, or any time. Then we have experience level. So you will be able to filter your search more by adding if you're looking for an internship, if you're looking for an entry level job, a director or executive or an associate. Then we also have company. If you have a company in mind that you're looking for, that you were tracking for a long time, a client that you have in mind, you can simply go ahead and add their name right here. And if it's available on LinkedIn, it will be shown here. Then we have job type. So this is really important. You can search for different job types such as a full-time job, part-time job, contract, temporary, volunteer, internship, and other. So let's say that you're looking for a part-time job, then you will simply select this option and it will filter the search for you. Then again, we also have remote, hybrid, and on-site option. So if you're looking for remote jobs, then you can select this option. Again, we also have easy apply option. Easy apply means that you will be able to apply from LinkedIn. You will not have to go to their other platforms or their main site. So this is how you simply search for any of the job and clients on LinkedIn. Let's say these are my results right here. Now, all I have to do is simply scroll down and look for all of these different jobs. And you will be able to see that all of the big companies are here on LinkedIn looking for employees. Let's go ahead and search a job. Maybe this one. Simply click on the job and it will open up the details right here for you. In details, you will be able to see that how many applicants have actually applied for the job. Then you will see that when this job was posted, company name, employees, salary. So this is the salary right here from $40,000 per year to $50,000. It is going to be a full-time job and entry level. Then we have more details about the job, such as what they're looking for, responsibilities, and qualification. You will also be able to see your base salary and any bonuses that you will be getting. So this is about the company as well. Let's say that you like this job and you are applicable. You can simply go ahead and apply for this job. You meet the qualifications as well. You will be able to see the option right here that what kind of application method is available. You can see my profile also matches with the job. Now click on Easy Apply. Easy Apply means that I will be able to apply from LinkedIn. So it will take your email address, your phone code, then you have to enter your mobile number. The next step is going to be uploading your resume. So this is where you upload your resume and that's it. You simply apply for the job. That is why it's called Easy Apply. You can upload your resume in Docs, DocX, or PDF. It should be 2 MB. Once you upload your resume, you can click on review and you will be able to apply from LinkedIn and you will be able to get a client. You can simply go ahead and apply on more than one jobs. Of course, it depends on you. You can see my profile also matches this company, this job, and they have full-time, entry level, and I can get more information, a place for everyone. This is the company. And then they have not actually added the salary, but I will get the information further. Again, you can see now this says apply and it does not say easy apply. So to get this client, what I will have to do is I will click on apply, click on continue, and it will take me to their main website. This is how they want us to apply. And now all I have to do is simply enter the information and fill in the form that they have added. So I will add my first name, last name, mobile number, and email address. And then I will be able to apply. So that is how we simply apply and get clients on LinkedIn. We can go with an easy apply option, and then we will sometimes have to apply on the website. It depends on your resume, how good your resume is, and then you will be able to get the job. Now you know how to simply apply for the job. Let me give you a few tips when it comes to getting clients on LinkedIn. The first thing that you need to do is have a good profile, because that is the first thing that they will notice. And what you have to do is simply add your details right here. Add your full name, your details such as what you do. You can see right here. Then what you have to do is add your companies, activities, education, and interest. This way, your profile will actually stand out among others and make sure your profile is also professional. You can also add videos and more information such as URLs of your public profile and your websites. Second thing that you need to do is have a good resume. Make sure that you create a professional resume to send, because that's what also plays an important role. They will check out your profile and then your resume. And if you are applicable for the job, if you meet the criteria, then you will get a call back and you will also get an interview. Then, depends on you, you will be able to get a job on LinkedIn because clients are available, big companies are available. You can apply on hundreds of jobs if you want to, and then you will get your dream job on LinkedIn. Similarly, when it comes to finding jobs, you can save different jobs as well. If you like a job, you can save it and it will be saved right here in My Jobs. Then, if you want to set an alarm and if you want to add alerts for different companies, then you will get job alerts right here whenever that company will post a job. We also get the interview prep option on LinkedIn. It allows us to prepare for our interview and we have different questions that we have to answer. So this actually helps you get clients and helps you prepare for the interview. So this is really good. We don't have to go to any course or we don't have to go to any other platform. LinkedIn provides this for us. I can now go ahead and practice how to tell about myself, what do I do, why I want to join. I will describe my leadership style. So these are the different, preparation that we can do for our job before we get a client. Similarly, we also have a resume builder option that allows you to build your resume. You can upload the image and LinkedIn will help you prepare a good resume. Again, we also have a job seeker guidance that you can take and application settings. So LinkedIn is all in one amazing platform that will help you get clients that you want to and join companies of your dream. You will be able to get your first job using LinkedIn very easily. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to get clients on LinkedIn. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.